Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. My company's name is Torpedopot, where we make self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter and they grow for you. We have some lettuce that I need to pick today, and I want to have me a ball. So I'm going to pick me some lettuce. So I hope you guys will forgive me. So guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All I did was throw my seeds in this planter and it grows my food for me. My seeds in this case was basil. I just dropped basil inside the planter and I walked away. I haven't done anything. My lettuce, I put it inside the planter maybe about a month or 2 months ago, and it just constantly grow. So what I came to do is that I want to have me some, I want to eat some lunch. And so I want to be able to pick some lettuce. So I came today to pick a nice big stalk of lettuce so you guys can see exactly what goes on at Torpedo Pot. You know, I had an old tomato plant, I stuck it in here. I got parsley, I got basil, I've got oregano, I've got lettuce, I've got celery. And so we have just a lot of stuff growing here and there, you know, hit or miss. We're just an area of the house that we just want to come out and snack on before we get in our car, something of that nature. Let's just grab something out of this right here. So what I'm going to do today is that I want to get some lettuce. I need some lettuce for my sandwich, so I'm going to try to cut some down so you guys can see what's going on. Guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder of a growing concept called Torpedopot, where all you do is take your food or your seeds in your plants, put them in the planter, and they grow your food for you. Now, trust me, normally in a planter of this size, I may have about 5 or 6 different stalks, but guess what? I eat them when I want to. And so when I come out, I get what I want to eat. And trust me, is that big? Isn't that huge? That's the food I get. I get it all the time. Guys, these are torpedo pots. This small little torpedo pot, well, sheesh, with the celery you can go in here, you probably, with the lettuce you go in here, you probably get a good 2 to 3 pounds of lettuce coming out of this one planter. That's how tremendously good these planters are. All you do is put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, and it grows your food for you. And you don't have to worry about your food again in your life because it's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Like a Christmas tree. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You never water, you never feed your plants again in your life. The only thing you do is supplement. And you'll have food all of the time. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, it's really amazing. So I don't know how tall this is, but geez, probably half my body right now. Maybe 3-4 feet, I guess, something along those lines. But when I want some lettuce, I just come out and I just get my food. When I want celery, I come out and get my food. No matter what I want, I just come out and snatch it and get it. I feel like a nice, good lettuce, not even a sandwich. I want to take this lettuce and I want to put it and mix it up with some a nice dip, and I'm going to eat all of this stuff. All of this is going in my body. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is take your food, put it in the planter, and it grows it for you. When you see that knob on that planter, you turn that knob, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. I never water, I never feed. I only supplement, and I get the best food in the world. And I can eat all the parts of my plant. That's what I'm going to do when I carry my pen. I love it. I'm going to wash it off, clean it off, we'll have it. Now, for those who are into nutrition, with Torpedo Pot, because it grows food so fast, it makes it so available, you have food available on the spot. All you do is come out, grab your food, get it, and go back in to what you want to do. But the availability factor of nice, healthy, clean food at your disposal is like nothing else in the world. And that's what Torpedo Pot does. It ensures that you have nice, clean food in your environment, where you live, where all your activities are. So you can eat healthy and just be healthy. We want you to be healthy. That's what Torpedo Pot does. Now, I normally would cut down some more of these if I really need it, but I don't think I do. I think once I wash this down, I'll start pulling out the individual leaves. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, these are Torpedo Pots. These are self-growing planters. All we did was take these celery plants. We brought our celery plants, I think it was 40 plants for about $13. And we've been eating since we brought it. Because the day we put it in, we ate from it. Little small seedlings, but the next day we tore them up. And they grew and grew and grew from a little small plant seedling to huge celery. And which we've been able to eat off of many different types of, lettuce, eat off the lettuce and many different types of celery. So lettuce is what this is, and that's what it's gonna do. Forgive me for mixing it up, I'm a little tired right now, but I can't wait to get this in because I'm so excited to get this lettuce in to eat it. I really want this lettuce. Again, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in. I wanted you to see one of our plants, what it looks like. As you start bringing them in, we'll check them off for you. We have a lot of things that are growing at Torpedopot. And, oh, it smells so good. I am so, tastes good. Wash it off. Hey guys, talk to you later. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we have a live food that's growing, and you just get it and eat it. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. That's beautiful. That is so beautiful. I didn't want to give it up because it's so beautiful. This is absolutely stunning, man. This is stunning, dude. Absolutely stunning. Award-winning. I can pull most of them out, a lot of them out here too. They're just as award-winning as this one is. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.